their kids, Shane, Maxine, and Bing. And of course, to Rance and Rosh. And of course, binabati ko rin si Gary, Jenna, and Ilya who are listening tonight.
Okay, meron ka, Tess?
Yes, Doc, binabati ko po si Gary and Jenna and Ilya who are now in Toronto listening. And of course, my kids, Rance, Rosh, and my loving husband, Romel.
Ay, ito, kanina pa si Romel dito, hindi nyo binabati. Palakpakan niyo si Romel Gonzalez. Ayan.
Yes, malapit na po ang birthday niya.
Kailan
Next
siya?
month.
Kailan
August
yan?
7, Doc.
Wow, mauna pa. Ano yun? Linggo yun. O, dito, magdala kayo ng luto ng mga steak ng JR.
Ayos yan.
Alright, dito tayo magdi-dinner sa Marvelous. Sige.
This is Vinny Guida. I just want to shout out to my family, to Brett, the other Metro Toronto Prettiest Filipinas girls, and everyone that came out to the Mabuhay Festival. Thanks, guys.
Okay, sa susunod na sa August, sa July 31st, linggo, di ba? Meron tayo alas 8 hanggang alas 9 yung scoop ng bayan. Lagay mo nga sila, Josephine. Sige, on the line, ha? Okay. Nakikinig ka na ba, Josephine?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, sino yung shoutout mo? Sige.
Yeah, I would like to greet all the youth of integrated management services, and I'm a block air. Palapit na yung mga relatives dito sa Pilipinas. At kung sakaling ma-hospital sila, wala na po silang problemahin. All they have to do is to present the card to all 400 accredited hospitals of integrated management services, and they will be admitted immediately without the hassle of deposit and everything. Yung mga ganun po.
Thank you very much, Josephine. Thank you. Okay? Thank you. Okay, salamat sa iyo, Josephine. Ngayon, natin ngayon na binabati ko rin yung si pangalan niya, Cecile Grace Hernandez, okay? Taga Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. At tapos yung kanyang kapatid na naman, si Maria Teresa